tennis. I love video games. I love board games. I love soccer. I love cooking at times, baking at times. I love arts and crafts. I love dancing. I love festivals. I love music festivals. I love picnics. I love going on boat rides. And I love amusements. The amusements, like bowling. Yeah, like bowling. And I love playing pool. I love I can't think of anything else. Dancing, yeah. And I love the cinema, yeah, love the cinema. So if you're interested in any of these things, then give me a message on YouTube. Thanks for watching my channel, and bye.